Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about Monopoly Go tips and tricks. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So to get tips and tricks from Monopoly Go, here are just a few strategy and tips on how to play and win with friends. So firstly, you have to roll the dice as usual. As you can see here, there's multipliers of how much you can roll your dice. So there's times 3, there's times 5, and times 10. As you go with that, you will earn rewards by just going through corners, and like this you get special rewards, chances, and so on and so forth. So you can also expand your expire and challenge your friends. By challenging your friends, you can add people here too, and you can challenge them into doing some heist and shut down other competitors. So I'm gonna show you how to do that in a while. So here, let's try to get a bank heist, or shutting down other competitors, mostly getting this. So there, you're earning money as you go through it. So I have run out of dices, so you can invite friends, so you can, as you can see here, you can invite friends so you can earn dices too. So you can also collect rent by seeing this red house right there. You can land on the player to charge them rent. And you can also win big by doing bank heists right here, as you can see, by landing on the train road racks. So those are just some tips and tricks on how you can earn easily in Monopoly Go. If you like this video, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.